Hello, Lisa here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my February Owlcrate unboxing. What? So I'm actually really looking forward to getting some feedback down below. This is not a witchy thing exactly. It's not really a tarot thing, but it's a thing and I like show and tell, so I thought I would share it with you guys. If this is totally not up your alley, I don't have to keep sharing these on the channel, so let me know after you've watched this down below what you think, or if you were like, girl, I'm not even gonna watch that, let me know that too. That would be useful information. That doesn't mean I won't share it. As always, I do what I want here, but I might want to know how many people I may be annoying by doing this. Let me tell you what Owlcrate is. So Owlcrate is a subscription box where you get a new, I think usually a newly released young adult fiction book each month, along with some other goodies that are a surprise. And the book is a surprise too. So some context before I dive into this. I've been really enjoying getting back into reading YA fiction, which is young adult fiction. I love reading for pleasure and I got out of the habit, and one of my depth year goals last year was to get back into reading for pleasure. By the end of the year, I was definitely in that place, and I've done a lot of reading already in 2020. I have read thick tarot books, I have read several novels, and I'm just really enjoying reading again. And this is like my little treat to myself to sort of support me enjoying my reading. I've never gotten one of these. I looked at a few different sort of YA book subscription services, and this one was really affordable. I think it's like $25 or $29 a month. US, and I think the shipping was really reasonable as well. And look at this cute box, it's got owls on it. It just makes me kind of happy. So I'm going to dive in, but if you get Owlcrate or a different book subscription service, let me know. I would be super curious, but I'm not about to start like a booktube or anything, but I really am excited about this. So I'm gonna get right into it. My shipping information is on the bottom, so I'm just gonna, I haven't even like broken the seal, so I'm doing that now. And I think that may be the only seal I have to cut. Yes, it is. Okay, here we go. Okay, so it just flew out, but we have our box card, and it says a power within, and then it says spoiler warning, so I'm not gonna look at anything yet. I'm gonna set it aside and I will dive back into that, and then we're gonna see. Now I should say, oh, there's so many cool exciting things in here. Okay, so here's the thing I will say is that there's a lot of like fandom kind of things that are in here, but I'm a little behind on my YA fiction, so I might not know what everything is, but I'm okay with that. We're just gonna see where we go. So the first thing that I spot here is this cute little, look at this little pouch with the moons and stars all over it. Okay, that's adorable. I will definitely repurpose that for some kind. Ooh, you know what this would do? This would make a really good like little dream pillow. To put some herbs and crystals for a dream pillow. I'm gonna have to edit out some coughs on this video. I thought I would do so much better. But anyway, okay. I'm excited about the bag, but I haven't even shown you what's in it. Okay. So this feels like one of those microfiber cloths. Oh, this is cute. Look at. So this is the picture on the front. And on the back it says, oh, okay, I freaking love this already. A witch is just a girl who has realized her power is her own. Now I said this wasn't witchy, but that's pretty darn witchy. That's pretty darn witchy. I'm really excited. I'm gonna look at what book that's from in a bit, but I don't even care because that, and this would make such a great little single card reading cloth too. Oh, I freaking love that. Okay. I will read about it after I've pulled everything out of the box. So the next thing we have is, oh, it's a keychain. Okay, let me show it to you guys. So it's like an enamel metal keychain, and it says Breakbill's University Alumni Keychain inspired by The Magicians by Lev Grossman. That one is on my to be read list. That's actually really exciting because I know that The Magicians series of books and the show, I think there's a show as well, is partially an inspiration for Barbara Moore's The Wizard's Tarot. So that's kind of a cool tie-in. So yeah, that is what that is. It says Owlcrate on the back. That's a really nice little keychain. I'm excited about that. Oh my gosh, and there's another enamel thing in here too. Okay, Oh, I think that's the thing. I think with Owlcrate you get a enamel pin every month, which is freaking cool. So this is monthly enamel pin collection, it says, and then it says still I will fight, and it looks like a crown of seashells. I'm gonna take it out of its package too, but that is really cool. It says A Power Within, February 2020 box number 60. Oh my goodness, Owlcrate's been around for a bit, eh? Okay, and I will read about what this is from, but that is really cool. It's like a sea witch crown. That's what that looks like. I am digging all the witchy vibes. Loving it. Okay, I'm gonna set aside my little plastic packagings here so that they're not in my way. Okay. Okay, there's a big thing in here and then a small thing, and then we get into the book, I think. So I'm gonna show you the big thing because it's really freaking exciting. Check out, oh, it's got like sigils on the top. Look at this. This is like basically a bento box. This is the coolest freaking thing. So first of all, it comes with a like stainless steel, I'm guessing. Yep, it says stainless steel on the back. A set of stainless steel chopsticks and a spoon. It's basically a bento box. This is pretty exciting. And then this top part opens up, and inside you have compartments. So back in the day, I haven't talked about this at all on my channel, I got really into making bento box lunches. I really got into it. But they're a lot of work and they take a lot of time, and I petered out. But this is super fun, and I will definitely use this to pack snacks and lunches and things like that for work. That's awesome. I will definitely use that. This next thing looks pretty exciting and super appropriate to share on this channel. I mean, I'm not going to guarantee that if I keep unboxing these, there's always going to be super appropriate stuff for the channel showing up in this box, but this one's this one's not bad. So this looks like a deck of cards, which could not be better for this channel. I don't think it's tarot though. But this is a really nice box. I'm guessing these are playing cards. So it says Battle the Stars. Joe Painter, oh, these must be the artists. Joe Painter, Salome Totladze, I'm probably slaughtering that, Diana Dworak, and Jana Runick, inspired by the Throne of Glass series by Sarah J. Maas. That's funny because I'm actually currently reading Throne of Glass. It's on my Kindle as we speak. So that's pretty exciting, and it says Battle the Stars to whatever end on the box, and it's got this really nice gold foil detailing, and it's like a really nice soft matte box. Let's see what these look like. Gosh, I haven't gotten a really cool like set of playing cards in a very long time. Oh my god. I just died a little bit because you guys, look, they're gilded in purple. Okay, this is really cool. My voice is totally cracking. These are so cool. Look at the backs. They're so shiny. Okay. So it's all this gold foil detailing on the front. I mean, as a card junkie, these are really exciting. So the pips look like that, or the minors, or the pips, the minors. The playing card pips, they look like that. Let's get into some quartz because I think we're gonna have characters. We do! Check it out. So these are characters. I'm guessing that's our main, oh, I don't know who any of these people are because I'm still early in the book. But this is pretty freaking exciting. There's the diamonds. Look at this. I don't know if you've read this series. If you've read Throne of Glass, let me know down below, but no spoilers because I'm just in the first book. But I think I have the whole series on my... Oh, this is interesting. Oh, I see. So they're not, these aren't in order. I thought these were totally in order, but they're not. Jack, Queen, King, King, Queen, Jack. Okay. Here's some more. Probably shouldn't spend too much time on this, but these are really beautiful. Like just as just straight up playing cards, those are freaking gorgeous. And once I know the characters, this might actually make a pretty great cartomancy deck for me if the characters align with the quartz well, and I don't know that yet because I don't know who everybody is, but that's freaking exciting. I love that. That makes me pretty happy. Oh, I love a new deck smell. It smells so good. Okay. Well, that was a fun surprise in my not tarot related book. Oh, what's this? This feels like a small book. What is this? Chain of Gold, Cassandra Clare, The Last Hour, Book 1. What is this? Is this a book? Or is this like... Oh, it says exclusive sneak peek. It says exclusive sneak peek up in the top. So this must be like a sample. Yeah, there we go. Exclusive sneak peek. So I guess it's like a sample couple chapters. Maybe the first 1 or 2 chapters. Or a prequel or something of this book. Cool. That'll be fun to flip through and see what I think. And then maybe add this to my reading list. Okay, and then there's an envelope. I feel like there's a lot of goodies in this box for $29. I mean, that's US, but still, it's pretty cool. Okay, so there's an envelope, and, ooh, I don't know what, there's like a piece of string. I think this probably just fell off of something. Oh, Thread Sisters BFF bookmarks. Okay, this is really cool. These are metal bookmarks. And there's 2 of them. Look at these. I should hold it up against the card. I don't know what books these are from. Let's see if it says, I'll always follow you and you'll always follow me. Thread Sisters to the End, inspired by the Witchland series. Okay, now Witchland series totally sounds like something I need to read. But some really nice metal bookmarks. Those are nice. How do they work? Am I new? I guess you just slide them in. Oh, and they've actually got ruler markings on them too. There. That's really cool. That's really cool. Okay. I'm digging it. But really, I'm here for the book. Let's be honest. Okay, so the thing about Owlcrate, I believe, is that the books that come in are exclusive to, well, the books aren't exclusive to Owlcrate, but they have an exclusive cover. And let's see. So we have Owlcrate February 2020, A Power Within. Oh, is this like a little, what is this? Oh, there's an interview with the author. There's some information on the 2 covers. I should show you what the book is. I'll do that momentarily. This is just really exciting because I've never opened one of these before. So it looks like there's a little bit more information. Ooh, and there's a Throne of Glass inspired playlist that's on, there's like a code. You can scan it with your Spotify app, and it will take you to a playlist for Throne of Glass, which is amazing because that's literally the book I'm reading right now, so that's pretty freaking cool. Okay, but the book. Let's get on to the book. Check this out. I should take it out of its plastic. Let's do that. It's called All the Stars and Teeth by Adeline Grace, and this is actually super exciting because I literally just read oh, there's a letter from the author. I can't wait to read that. Look at that they include. I literally just added this to my Kindle wish list because this is a book that the synopsis really, really grabbed me. So it says on the back, Princess, Pirate, Stowaway, Mermaid, and the crew makes the queen. That's what it says on the back between all the little synopsises. I'm not going to read synopsises or get too deep down the rabbit hole, but I will say that just the idea of like a fantasy novel that involves mermaids and power and magic, it's just, I love it. So this is a really, really nice jacket here. What does it look like? Ooh, look! Oh, and I bet that, not the keychain, but the pin? I bet the pin is like directly related to this book. Look at that. Oh. Okay, let's read the little spoiler card. And then I can tell you guys what everything is in case I missed something. I'm gonna tuck the author letter in that. Oh, this is really exciting. I can't wait to read this. And I was worried it was gonna be this like gigantic mega book, but this isn't so bad. This is only like 373 pages, so this should be a pretty quick read for me. I read the entire Raven Cycle series in like max 3.5 weeks or so, I think. Maybe four weeks, because it overlapped January and February. So I should be able, and those books, I think at least the last couple were like 600-ish pages, so this should be an easy read for me. That's really, really exciting. Okay, sorry, spoiler card. Okay. Forget old school plastic heart necklaces. Hey Atlas Creative designed 2 metal bookmark rulers inspired by the Truth Witch. I'm having a hard time reading this card. Truth Witch as the perfect BFF gift for you and your bookworm bestie. Keep your glasses and e-readers dust free. Oh yeah, the cloth, that's right. So this is a cleansing cloth. Double-sided screen cleaning cloth featuring design inspired by Wicked Saints. Oh, now I want to read that book based on that quote. So again, the quote, "A witch is just a girl who has realized her power is her own." I freaking love that. I really want to read this book now. Naturally, that's what's going to happen. This is going to be a giant rabbit hole of one book leads to the next book leads to the next book. And then Ardalan's assassin always has an arc or an ace up her sleeve, and now you can too with the Throne of Glass inspired playing cards. Did I know this was Throne of Glass? Yes, I did. I did know this was Throne of Glass. Which again, I'm reading now, so this is super exciting. And then for the Magician fans, we have the keychain, and it says you can return to break bills using our alumni keychain signed by the Blooming Library. So that's really cool. I haven't, is it signed by? Designed by. Oh my goodness, you guys. I need reading glasses to read this card, which is sad. Sad for me. And then Team Owlcrate designed the bento box, because it literally says Owlcrate on the back. It's kind of cool. Designed the bento box for metal eating allomancers who like to pack their lunches while traveling through Luthadel, and for Mistborn readers who enjoy tastier foods. We used Scadrial's steel alphabet to spell Owlcrate on the top. Okay, so this is based on the book series Mistborn, so that's another one that I might have to check out. I mean, it's still a fun bento box. What I like about this box, though, you guys, is that I can use everything. Like, the playing cards will definitely get used, and if not, they're super freaking cool, and that purple gilding is basically everything. We've got the keychain and the pin, which are fun little pieces of fan stuff. I'm excited, actually, to read this little sampler, so I'm going to see what I do. Oh, and there's a spoiler for next month. So next month's theme is Music of the Night. And the sneak peek says, in every box you'll receive an item from Flick the Wick. So there'll be a candle. P.S. If you're already a subscriber, your account will automatically renew. Yay! So that's exciting. So next month's is Music of the Night. Definitely let me know down below if you guys want me to keep sharing these. I love showing stuff on my channel, so like for me it's win-win, but if you don't want this cluttering up your feed or you think this doesn't belong here, that's totally cool. Let me know. Like I said, I'll probably still do what I want, but if I'm gonna annoy a lot of people, I might not do it every month, or you know, I might share it in my favorites or something, but keep me posted on what you think. Again, if you get this, if you read YA fiction, if you knew anything about the books that it talked about, because I knew very little, let me know. I'd be super curious what your thoughts are on everything that came in this box, but it was really fun to share with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, you can always book a tarot reading with me over at supportivetarot.com. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!